This is the story of a 12-year-old girl who faces an unbelievable problem that is ruining her life. She simply cannot stop sneezing. Believe it or not, this girl sneezes about 12,000 times a day. She says it all started when she was leaving a clarinet class, when suddenly she began to sneeze sporadically. That same night, just before going to sleep, she had an intense episode and sneezed about 30 times in a row. Nowadays, Caitlin sneezes on average 20 times per minute, and sometimes she can even control it. But according to her, it hurts a lot. Doctors diagnosed her problem as a type of OCD, or tic, as they have not yet been able to identify the cause of these uncontrollable sneezes. The situation is so serious that Caitlin no longer goes to school and also has a lot of difficulty performing normal daily tasks. Eating and drinking have become complicated tasks, and even her sleep is constantly interrupted by sneezing. According to her father, this problem affects her life in every way, and he says he suffers a lot seeing his daughter in this situation without being able to do anything but hold her until she falls asleep. Caitlin said that this problem is